welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into US Bank online step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in US Bank, login, US Bank, login, and then you can hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying US Bank, tap on login at the top right of your screen after the page loads. You'll then have to enter your username along with your password and then hit login with password, or you can also log in using a passkey if you have set that up. If you have not enrolled in your US Bank's online banking, simply hit enroll in online banking under login. Here you'll have to enter your card or your account number and then your social security number. If you do not have a social security number, simply hit I do not have a social security number, in which case you'll have to simply enter your card and account number along with your date of birth, hit continue, and then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions, in which you'll have to fill in your details and create your username along with your password, after which you can head back over to the login page and then log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.